Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a mukbang with you guys. Okay, and Bella. So we are going to Bali. And for this vlog, I'm just gonna do a mukbang. But before I proceed to my vlog, please subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated on my next one.
Let's go!
Hey guys, I'm with Kate.
Hi guys, I'm Kate.
Where are you from?
Thailand.
So, kaya ako nagpa-vlog ngayon. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Sorry, speak in Tagalog. We're going to eat some Santan meals. We paid for this, okay?
Yeah, we pay for that.
So, I'm having this sando. This is the double chicken sando. What are you having?
I have the cube curry chicken. This one is our new menus. It's very nice. I recommend this one.
Okay, let's eat. Mukbang. And also,
And I combo with the coffee. You may choose coffee, tetari, use fizzy, jasmine tea or Ceylon tea.
yeah, I think
It's only 20 ringgit.
yeah,
Very
the one
nice.
she's having.
I open for you guys.
Yeah. Okay, I'll wow.
Wow. Got the banana, carrot. What do you call this one?
Broccoli.
Broccoli and
Wow.
then the chicken and the rice is very nice. Come with the sauce. It's special sauce, but it's very nice. I love it.
I think it's Korean, right?
I'm
And this
sure.
is the sando. Do you like your coffee cold or hot?
I like cold.
Cold.
Yeah, because I'm already hot.
Oh my god! I like that. Yes, I really love this sando, but I don't eat vegetables, so
You need it. You have to remove. I'm gonna eat first.
eat. Makan. How do you say makan in Thai?
In.
Eat.
This is the corn. But
Oh, good. I think cabbage. Kin.
Makan. How you say in
Yeah. Tagalog. Kain.
Kain?
Kain.
Kain.
Okay, kain.
Kain.
Kain. Kain.
Enjoy.
We also ordered some food from Bali.
Yeah.
Did you order anything?
Yeah.
I ordered ikan bakar. So on my next clip, I'm gonna show you how the ikan bakar looks like. We are in Bali. Hey guys, now I'm with, what's her name?
Salina.
Selena, but we call her, you wanna
Bella.
call her? Bella. Selena Gomez.
Salina Gomez, yeah.
And where are you from?
Philippines. I'm joking. Salamat po.
So
Marian Rivera.
yes.
Marian Rivera.
She knows Marian Rivera. What's the husband's name?
Dindon Dantas.
Oh.
And there's one more, you know.
Oh,
Mahal kita.
mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna do a little bit of mukbang, and I've mentioned it to you earlier. I'm gonna do a mukbang with Bella. Okay, let's see what you got. I ordered this ikan bakar. Okay, what are you having?
Mine is, it's called ayam tulang lunak. Tapi bahasa Indonesianya ayam tulang lunak asin.
Oh.
Yeah, it's salt. Tu? Apa ya? What's it called?
Apa?
Asin. I'm not sure.
Asin salt?
You-
Salty?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
You know, every time we have like flight to Bali, most of the crew always order this. How to go fat it?
I just actually, if you
Oh. Oh, it's gonna like go down, is it?
yeah.
Ta-da! This is banana. Banana what?
Banana cheese. There's
Banana
another
cheese.
one. Flavor is
Blueberry.
blueberries. Yeah.
I saw in your
Let me try
post.
that.
I haven't tried that, but I would love to try. It's already 12:25 midnight,
Yeah.
and we're landing around 3 a.m. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what is the meaning of this ayam? This chicken?
No.
So
Why?
basically,
Okay, tell them.
the famous thing about this is if you eat the bones, it's
You can make a wish.
no. I wish.
If you eat the bones.
You know what's my wish, right?
Guys,
No.
Bella is single. Okay, can I announce it? Bella's so single. So if anyone's interested, don't comment below. I'm gonna block you. Yeah.
So when you like bite it, let me try to find a video.
Yeah.
Typical bones that is very
Yeah.
how to say
Hard, chewy.
yeah, hard, and it's
Yeah.
not easy. Like if you want to eat this, you can't eat like this. But for this, it's very famous because once you eat, like once you bite,
It's chewy.
yeah, it's gone like just like that.
Oh, that's why it's
That's why.
famous.
Yeah.
My ikan bakar comes with this sambal, right?
Yeah.
Sambal and some cucumber.
Yeah.
But I don't really eat that, so I don't think I'm good. No, I know. It's so sad. Do you want it?
How do you eat this?
Oh, you also don't eat
I
it.
think maybe
Maybe I'll
Carmelo.
put a little bit lah. Okay, fine. For the sake of you guys of trying, I'm gonna put a little bit.
Is it nice? Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a plastic.
It's actually really nice, but
It is.
I feel like it's too spicy for me. So I'm gonna try it without the sambal. How was yours?
Mine isn't spicy, but I like spicy, so it's fine. You can try it right now. I like fish strip.
I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me properly. I promise I'm gonna bring a microphone next time. I always forget to bring my microphone.
Do you want sauces for that?
Now, guys, we're gonna try the ayam tula luna asim.
Do you know telur masin?
No.
You know there's a eggs that have like orange color. Salted? It's salted. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's
Not
salted.
salted.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's like asim is so salty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm. Try mine. I don't think I can finish this.
But after the video, then we can.
Yeah, after the video we can.
Oh yeah. The taste is good. It's really. I can use the ketchup, right?
Ketchup. Okay. For my ikan bakar, it's actually kind of sweet. But for Filipinos, we really love sweet, so it's fine. How about yours?
It's a bit sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm on my last bite, and then I will eat later.
Usually, like where you edit the video.
I just want to show you how it looks like. Here's how it looks. What is this again?
Banana cheese.
Banana cheese flavor. If we have like viewers from Indonesia, I just want to tell you that your food is really good. Especially for those who are from Bali. I love Bali so much. Have you been to Bali?
Yeah, just one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mm.
Outside was not that well.
Actually, this is like banana cake.
Enak. Enak.
Apa enak?
Enak is sedap.
Enak.
Yeah.
Wait, in bahasa or
In
what?
Indonesia.
Enak.
Yeah.
Enak. Enak.
Yeah. It is sweet, but it's nice, right?
So good. I love banana bread.
And the cheese is what? Sashka? video one you use?
We're almost done with my vlog, but before I end my vlog, I want to ask both of them, what is the best thing about being a cabin crew? Who want to go first?
Myself, the best thing is we learn another cultures, like a lot of passengers from different culture and countries, so that's the best thing lah. Yeah, for me. Thank you.
How about you, Bella?
Honestly speaking, Arab school likes people, so meeting new people is the best thing, especially when you're doing something you're happy with it, like regarding our service and all, and they're giving us like a compliments, not about our like physical or like beauty or something. They are like complimenting our service. That's make me happy actually. So I want to hear that actually. Yeah, that make me happy. And actually it boosts our, how to say, it motivates me to be a better for next scene. Yeah.
You want to add more?
She cover everything. What about you?
Oh, for me, I think I've heard it many times. Like, I really like being a cabin crew, first of all, because after your job is done. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
It's true, it's true.
That's kind of true.
Yeah.
Well, basically, I don't know. There's just something in flying that really makes me happy. I don't know. Maybe it's the passengers, it's the people. I'm kind of like you. I'm also a people person, so I like seeing new nationalities, learning different cultures, food. You know, like learning different food as well and everything. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please
Don't
subscribe.
forget to subscribe.
Subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Bye.
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 See you at work.